Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I'd like to do today, guys, is show you how to create a flower spiral effect, a really easy way to make your portraits unique and bespoke to yourself. And I guarantee if you follow the steps today, you'll be able to create some really modern and fresh, innovative pieces of work. So as you can see here, what we have is this image of this lovely lady, and I have this little image of a flower. The first of what I'm going to do is just position this in the point where I want it to begin, like so. Let's come to our layers window and make sure the layer of the flower is highlighted. And what I now need to do is duplicate this layer. The keyboard shortcut to do that for Mac users is Command J. For Windows users, that's Control J. And then with that duplicate, I'm now going to press Command T to get our transform options open, or for Control T for window users. Now, if you don't see this little navigator here in the middle of your icon, what you should do is make sure you have this ticked up here. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is just move this icon, probably the navigator, sorry, probably around this point here, like so. And I'm just going to duplicate and rotate the duplicate there. And also as well, I'm going to make it just a slightly bit bigger. Like so. Now, if you press enter, you need to use the keyboard shortcut. For Mac users, that's Command Option Shift T. For Windows users, that is Control Alt Shift T. And if I do that, as you can see, it'll just copy what I did earlier, like so. And there you have it, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.